Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a YouTube channel for beginners covering the latest YouTube platform updates in 2023. I am going to take you step by step, starting with how to create a YouTube account, followed by customizing your channel to help it grow faster. As I'm going through, don't forget to check out the links in the description box below. We have a bunch of resources down there to help you with things such as creating your banner and profile picture images, as well as your thumbnail images. Before I begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more YouTube tips and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss a video. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is to head over to the youtube.com website and then come up to the top right hand corner here where it says sign in. So if you already have a Google account, you can log into that account now. If you don't have one yet, then you can click on create an account. So just enter your first and last name and email address, create a password, and then you're good to go with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you want to come up to the top right hand corner here where it says create a channel, and here we want to come up with our channel name, and we can come up with our YouTube channel handle. You can also upload your profile picture from here as well. So I'm going to find my file and I will choose done, and then let's go create channel. So our YouTube channel is finally created and this is what it looks like. So the next step from here is to customize your channel. Now we can either hit customize your channel, or you can come up to your profile picture and then click YouTube Studio and then press customization over here from the side. From there we need to click on basic info tab at the top here, and let's add some information about our channel. So you can see our channel name and you can change that in here as well, but it does say that you cannot change your name twice within 14 days. You can also see our handle, which we can change as well. Now down here under the description is where you want to add a few sentences to tell your viewers what this channel is about and the types of content they can expect from there. For example, the channel I made is going to be related to music, so I'm going to write a few sentences on what this channel is about. Oh, and by the way, the channel is linked in the description and I'm going to be uploading music tutorials on that channel soon. Anyway, if we keep scrolling down, this is your YouTube channel IRL, and you can create a link to that channel as well. Next up, we're going to go on our branding. So this is where you can add or change your profile picture, but you can also do your banner images and your video watermark as well. So we're gonna go on banner image and we're gonna choose upload and choose our file. Also, I'm going to make a tutorial on how to make your banner, profile picture and thumbnail images, and the websites to do this is in the description below. So subscribe to stay updated. Now I'm going to come down to done and click publish, and let's go back to and refresh our page. And we can see that our channel banner is now on there. Now, if we come back here to channel customization, a video watermark is an optional thing. This is a little graphic that sits down on the bottom right hand corner of a video while it's playing, and it's a link for people to subscribe to your channel. So I'm going to choose upload here. We're going to find my YouTube watermark and a little square image that looks like this, just saying subscribe, and then press done, and then we're going to choose it when it's shown. If it's for the end of the video or the entire video, or you can choose a custom start time. I'm going to choose the entire video so that my viewers can click on subscribe, and then I'm going to press publish. Finally, we click on settings and then we click on channel, which is where we can set the country of residence of our channel. So I'm going to choose the United Kingdom, and we are going to also add some keywords about our channel. So I'm going to type in some keywords associated with my channel. Next, we want to click on advanced settings to specify to YouTube that if your channel is made for kids or if it's not made for kids. So I'm going to press it's not made for kids. Next, we want to come up here to the future eligibility, and we want to verify our channel so that we're not stuck with the standard YouTube features, and we can unlock some intermediate features, which are things like uploading videos longer than 15 minutes, adding custom thumbnails to your videos and more. And now we want to verify our YouTube channel, and it's going to do it here with a phone number. So you click on that and this will pop up. We will choose whether to get a text message or a phone call. So I'm going to enter my phone number and hit get code and enter the code, and now it's finally verified. So now if you want to come back to our YouTube channel features, we can see that we've now got the intermediate features and that are now enabled. Now we close it and then press view channel and then start uploading our videos. And as you can see, this is where our channel is created. And if you want to start uploading videos, all you need to do is hit the button down here or press camera icon where you can choose to upload the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more videos and tutorials.